Hazrat Jabir bin Samura states, when Hazrat Ma'iz bin Malik radiyallahu anhu was brought to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I saw that Hazrat Ma'iz was a short-statured and sturdy fellow, and he was not wearing a chador then. He testified 4 times against himself that he committed adultery. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, perhaps you have kissed. He submitted, no, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this wretched has committed adultery. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon issued orders to stone him to death. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam delivering a sermon said, hearken, when the group of our people set out for jihad in Allah's way, one of you lags behind and utters voices like the beating of a billy goat and gives someone a small quantity of milk. Hearken by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if Allah Jalla Jalaluhu gives me a chance, I will award him a deterrent punishment. Note: here milk alludes to semen. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4399.